Hello children, welcome to our class Nana. In our previous class we have completed exercise 1.1. Now exercise 1.2 we have completed first bit. Now exercise 1.2 page number 5. Exercise 1.2 we have completed first bit already. First bit, round up the following numbers to the nearest tens. We have completed first bit. Now the second bit, round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. Second bit, round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. First question is first question is 695. Now for this we have to round up the following numbers to the nearest hundred. For this 695 we have to find for nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means now they are asking to find the nearest hundreds. If they ask nearest hundreds, then we have to leave the ones place number. Before hundreds, what is the place value? What is the place value, Nana? Tens. That means here we have to check the tens place number. What do you have in tens place? 9. 9 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good. 9 is above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then what you have to do? If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number one time. And in remaining two places, you have to write 0. Here, they are asking to nearest hundreds. So, you have to check the hundreds before place number, hundreds before place value. Before hundreds, we have tens place. In this tens place, we have 9. 9 is above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number one time. Here, in hundreds place, we have 6. If you increase the 6 one time, then what is the next number? 7. In remaining two places, we have 0. So, 695 is nearest to 700. Now second question. 36152. For this also nearest hundreds. They are asking to find nearest hundreds, so you have to count up to only hundreds place only. Ones, tens, hundreds. Up to here only you have to count. Now they are asking to nearest hundreds. If they ask nearest hundred, then which place value you have to take? You have to count the tens place number. What do you have in the tens place number? 5. 5 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good. Above 5 number. If the number is above 5, what you have to do? If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number one time and remaining two places are zeros. So, 3, 6, you have to increase the one time, then it becomes 2, remaining two places are 0. So, 36,152 is nearest to 36,200. Second question has completed. Now, third one. 13,648. For this also same like this only. Now they are asking to nearest hundreds. That means you have to count up to hundreds place value only. Ones, tens, hundreds. You have to count up to here only. Now they are asking nearest hundreds. That means you have to count for tens place. What do you have in the tens place? In tens place we have 4. 4 is above 5 number or below 5 number? 4 is below 5 number. If the number is below 5, what you have to do? Then you have to write the number as it is and remaining two places 0. That means don't change the next number. You should not increase. If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number. If the number is below 5, then you should not increase the next number. You have to write as it is. Here 4 is below 5 number. If the number is below 5, then you should not increase the next number. You have to write the next number as it is and remaining two places are 0. Then fourth question. 93618. Here it is also. Now you have to count up to hundreds place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now they are asking nearest hundreds. If they ask nearest hundreds, then we have to check the before place value. Before 100, the place value is tens. You have to count the tens place value. In this tens place we have 1. 1 is above 5 number or below 5 number? 1 is below 5 number. If the number is below 5, then what you have to do? You have to write this number as it is and remaining two places are zeros. 9, 3. This number 1 is below 5 number. If the number is below 5, then there is no need to increase the next number. There is no need to increase the next number. తర్వాత ఉన్న number ని increase చేద్దాం as it is the value. So 6 as it is. Remaining two numbers are 0. So 93,618 is nearest to 93,600. like this. Second bit has completed. Now have it. Now third bit. Round up the following numbers to the nearest thousands. Round up the following numbers to the nearest thousands. thousands, thousands. Now they are asking to find the following numbers to the nearest thousands. That means which place value we have to count? Hundreds place value we have to count, because before thousand the place value is 100. That means if they ask to nearest tens, that means you have to count ones place number. If they ask nearest hundreds, that means you have to take tens place number. If they ask nearest thousands, then you have to count hundreds place number. That means each and every time, based on the question, you have to follow the answer. Now here they are asking thousands place value. Now that means you have to count here hundreds place number. Before place value you have to check. Before 100 the place value is, before 1000 the place value is 100. So hundreds place number you have to check. Now we will do first one. 3415 is nearest hundreds. Now nearest thousands. Here they are asking nearest thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Thousand up to thousand the place value is there. That means which place value you have to count here? Hundreds place value we have to count here. They are asking to nearest thousands. If they ask what they are asking before the place value, we have to take. They are asking nearest thousands. So we have to count hundreds place value. We have to count hundreds place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. You have to count hundreds place value. In this hundreds place value we have 4. 4 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good. Below 5 number. If the number is below 5, then you have to increase the next number, or you have to write as it is. Next number increase as is the value. Very good. You have to write as it is. 3 as it is, and remaining 3 places are 0. So 3415 is nearest to 3000. Second question. 70,124. It is also nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means which place value we have to take? Hundreds place value. What do you have in hundreds place? I have 1. What do you have? 1. 1 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good. Below 5 number. If the number is below 5, you have to write the next number as it is, or you have to increase. You have to write the next number as it is. Next number as it is. Remaining 3 numbers are 0. So 70,124 is nearest to 70,000. Next, third question. 8,765 nearest thousands. That means here also we have to count hundreds place value. Before place value we have to check. They are asking thousands, so we have to count hundreds place number. What we have in hundreds place? We have 7. 7 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then what you have to do? We have to increase the next number 1 time. Increase 8 by 1 time. It becomes 9. That means plus 1. 8 plus 1 it becomes 9. Remaining 3 big numbers are 0. So 8,765 is nearest to 9,000. Next, fourth question. 4,001. 4,001. 4,001. Now they are asking nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means here we have to check hundreds place number. What we have in hundreds place number? 0. 0 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good. Below 5 number. If the number is below 5, then we have to increase the next number, or you have to write as it is. Very good. You have to write the next number as it is. Next number is 4. Remaining 3 numbers are zeros. Like this you have to find. If they ask nearest to thousands, then you have to check before place value. What is the place value before thousands? Hundreds. If they ask nearest hundreds, then you have to check before the hundreds. What is the place value? Tens. If they ask tens, then you have to check ones. Like that. Before place value, you have to check. Those who have completed first bit, I will write the answers. Check. Round up the following numbers to the nearest tens. First bit answers. Those who have completed, check once. Now they are asking to find for nearest tens. So which place value we have to check? Very good. Ones place value we have to check. Before place value. Before means mundu. Before place value we have to check. What is the place value before tens? 1. So we have to check ones place number. First question 89. In this 89, what they are asking to find for nearest tens. That means we have to check ones place number. What we have in ones place? 9. 9 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then what you have to do? You have to increase the next number 1 time. That means plus 1. 8 plus 1 it becomes 9. So 89 is nearest to 90. Second question 415. Nearest to tens. That means you have to check ones place number. What do you have in the ones place? 5. 5 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then what you have to do? You have to increase the next number one time. What is the next number here? 1. If you increase 1 by 1 time, then what you will get? 2. 2 in the next place you have 0. So 415 is nearest to 420. 3915. 3915. They are asking to find for nearest to tens. Nearest to tens. That means we have to check the ones place. What we have in the ones place? 5. 5 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Above 5. If the number is above 5, then you have to increase the next number by 1 time. What is the next number here? 1. If we increase the 1 by 1 time, then what is the next number? 2. That means here 2. 3915 is nearest to 3920. Next 4409. Next 4409. They are asking to find for nearest to tens. That means we have to check the ones place number. What is the ones place here? 9. 9 is above 5 number or below 5 number? Very good, above 5 number. If the number is above 5, then what you have to do? You have to increase the next number by 1 time. What is the next number here? 0. If you increase 0 by 1 time, then what you will get? That means increase means plus 1. If you add 0 to the 1, then what is the answer? 1. So 4409 is nearest to 4410. Like this first bit. Now 3 bits has completed. Now we will learn write the numbers write the expandation form of the numbers. Today we will learn 5th bit. Afterwards tomorrow I will say 4th bit. 5th bit is write the following numbers in expandation form. You know expandation form well. But I will explain one problem. Remaining problems are your homework. How many problems are there? We have here. Leave the 4th bit, Nana. 4th bit I will teach afterwards. That means in next class I will teach 4th bit. Now 5th bit. Write the expanded form for the numbers because you know expandation form very well. So 5th bit. Today we will learn 5th bit. In next class we will go for 4th bit. 5th bit. Write the expanded form of the numbers. Write the expanded form of the numbers. Expanded form of the numbers. Form of the numbers. First question is 4348. In 5th bit have 4 questions. I will explain one. Remaining all your homework. 4348. Now, how to write expandation form? Before going to write the expandation form, first of all you have to count the place values for the given number. Count the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This number can be read as 4348. Now how to write the expandation form? We have to start the expandation form from left side to right side. Left side to right side. It is left side, it is right side. So you have to start the expandation form from left side to right side. You have to count the place values from right side to left side. In the left side we have the first number is 4. We have to multiply this number with its place value. What is the place value of this 4? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 1000 can be written as 1000. Now 4 has completed. Next after 4 we have 3. 3 into 3 is in the place value of ones, tens, hundreds. 100 plus after 3 we have 4. 4 is in the place value of 10. We have to multiply these numbers with its place values. So 4 is in the place value of 10. So we have to multiply with 10 plus after 4 we have 8. 8 into 8 is in the place value of 1. So we have to multiply with 1. Now it has completed. Now multiply 4 into 1000 it becomes 4000. Otherwise 4 ones are 4. 3 zeros are there. We have 3 zeros as it is. Afterwards here we have plus again. 3 into 100 300. Otherwise 3 ones are 3. 2 zeros here to write the 2 zeros as it is. 4 times are 40. 8 ones are 8. Like this you have to write the expandation form. Okay. In 5th bit we have 3 more problems are there. The 3 problems are your homework. You know expandation form well. So you have to complete the 3 problems like this only. Okay. In next class I will teach 4th bit and we will learn about largest numbers. Okay. Very good children. Practice well.